People, move it. We're live in 5.
Say, Bob, what's cooking?
It's the Golden Meatball Awards banquet. Year's biggest wingding for Swedish chefs.
Oh, yoy. I just know I'll go home with tonight's Swedish Chef of the Year award.
Hey, woodpecker, how'd you like a free meal and a chance to make some easy money?
Free food and easy money? You've come to the right bird.
I need another seat filler for the awards show. And when a guest leaves his table, it's your job to sit in his seat. That way the place always looks full. Eat all you want. Just stay in your seat until the ticket holder gets back and you see his ticket. We get lots of mooches around here.
Wow, my 3 favorite things. Being the center of attention, all the food I can eat, and sitting on my butt the whole night.
We'll return with our first Golden Meatball Awards after these words from our sponsor.
Ooh, dumplings? Wait. I must see if they are as tasty as mine.
An empty seat. Go!
So, when do we eat?
Oh, a seat filler. How trig goes.
And now, back to our awards.
Oh boy, appetizers. Shh.
This little dumpling was stuffed with roast beef. Huh?
Shh. What's the big idea?
This is my seat.
Oh yeah? Where's your ticket?
I seem to have lost it.
Well, unless you seem to find it, this seat belongs to Woody Woodpecker, first-class seat filler.
But I'm Wally Walrus, the great Swedish chef, and I... Shh! Yeah, sorry. Shh! Minor misunderstanding.
Hey!
And the award for the best meatball in a side dish goes to Gunter Gustafsson.
Bravo! Here! Mazel tov! Author! On your feet for Gustav Gunderson and...
Of all the nerve!
Let me go! That's my seat! By Yemeni, that's my seat! I demand you excise that woodpecker from my seat this instant, before I win Swedish Chef of the Year!
Sure, just show me your ticket.
I lost it! Wait! You can't do this to me! I pioneered the slow poached meatball! That woodpecker's goose is cooked now, for sure, you bet.
And now, let's bring on our next presenter, the world-famous...
Woody Woodpecker!
Hey, that's me!
Testing. This thing isn't on.
Oh, hey, this is such an honor. Oh, you're too kind. Hey, how you doing? Oh, please. Okay. More.
woodpecker.
The award for Swedish Chef of the Year goes to... Hey, yeah. Isn't it an honor just to be nominated? Huh? Am I right? Huh? Am I? Yeah. All right, then, let's see. The winner is... Mr. Wally Walrus.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I would just like to say... Get out of my seat! My chair! I can't leave my chair! Auf Wiedersehen, my Toshi little cushion. I got my award and my chair. I'm so happy, yeah.
Wow, what a show! Action, drama, shtick! Listen to that applause! You gave the golden meatballs just what it needed. How'd you like to host next year's banquet? All the food you can eat.
Woohoo! You got yourself a deal.
I knew him when he was just a seat filler, you know. Woody, Woody, Woody!